Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. I'm Georgina. If you are new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. In today's recipe, I'm gonna share with you how to make suya beef kebabs, and this turned out so delicious, guys. Trust me, once you try it, you're going to love it, and you will make this every day because even your kids are going to fight with you for this. Let's get started. Soak your skewers in a bowl and then keep it aside for some hours before using it. If not, once you put it on the fire, it will get burnt. This is the beef that I'll be using, and I think it's cow shoulder. So it was sliced like this. I'll then cut it into smaller pieces, just like so. And then as you can see, it has a little bit of bones in. I took it out and then threw it out because I wouldn't be using that part. I'll divide it into smaller pieces like so, and then transfer it into my bowl. So the suya spices, I have the recipe on my channel. Just go through my page, you'll find the recipe there, and then it's good for making kebabs, all kind of kebabs. So this is what I'm looking for, or this is what you're looking for. If your beef is chunked, like it's big, just slice it and then cut it into smaller pieces, just like so. I'll then add in the suya spices. So this took the meat to wherever. It turned out so delicious, and I'm going to marinate this about 4 hours. If you have time, you can marinate it about 6 hours or even 2 hours, but the longer it takes for marinating, the more it becomes nicer. I'll add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil, cover it with a cling film, close it and marinate it for some hours. After 4 hours, by then it has marinated well, and guys, I'll just go ahead and stick it to my skewers and then grill it. So when doing this, you want to be careful for the steak not to hurt you or something. Just be careful doing this, and you can even put on gloves when it comes to this part. So this is what you're looking for. Just arrange it on the steward's così. I'm speaking Italian like this, and then I'll then put it on the plate and then sprinkle a little bit of the soya spices again on it before grilling. You want to rub it all over because you want it to you want the soya spices to penetrate everywhere, guys, everywhere. But then your fire should be ready for grilling. And there's something you do not want to walk away from it. If not, your beef could get burned, and it wouldn't be nice. So just stay close to it and keep turning until they are ready. It's simple, it's easy making this. All you need is your suya spices and then your beef, and you are good to go. This is good for parties, for dinner, lunch, name it, guys. It turned out so delicious, and I hope you're going to give this a try. Just stay close to it and keep turning until they are ready, as demonstrated in the video. So as you can see, even the aroma alone. When it's almost ready, brush on top with a little bit of olive oil and let it grill for some minutes more. And guys, this to take you to paradise. It turned out so delicious. I hope you're going to give this a try, and I hope you're going to give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page. Yummy, 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 yummy shows. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, stay blessed.